Okay, I think they're gone. Before they come back out, my neighbor is a Spurs fan. What I want them to know is that these are all the points that Jalen Brunson scored in the NBA Finals. So what I did was I wrote them outside their house because, I don't want them to be confused if they have to engage in conversations with people at the water cooler or other things. So how many games did Jalen Brunson play in the Finals? I think it was 19. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 games. Okay, so that would mean that the middle, if I wanted to find the middle of these games, 1, 2, again, I want to help my neighbor out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be the number 10, and there should be 9 that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that means that this number is the exact middle. Oh, there's a car coming, so I'm going to move out of the way. I hope that's not Jalen Brunson driving. So sorry, neighbor. It wasn't Jalen Brunson. Okay, so this is 29 points. Mathematicians would call that the median, but I'm not a mathematician. I'm just here being a friendly vandal. So we'd call that the median. I'm just going to label it in case they're taking a math test. Now, what about this first half of data? That means that half of the time Jalen Brunson scored more than 29 points, and half of the time he scored less than 29 points. Let's go halfway through this part then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 games where he scored more than 29 points. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then choose this one. And there would be 4 on the other side. That's the halfway of that. Mathematicians would call that quartile 3, but again, I'm not a mathematician. That means that 75% of the time he scored less than 35 points, but 25% of the time he scored more than 35 points because, 35 or more. It's all those games. So what about quartile 1, you're wondering? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, that's the middle. So what I'm doing is I'm just finding the middle, then the middle of the middle. We'll call this quartile 1. We could also call the median quartile 2 if we wanted to, but again, we're not talking about math. We're talking about Jalen Brunson. So what this means is that 25% of the time, Jalen Brunson scored fewer than 20 points. 25% of the time, he scored between 20 and 29 points. 50% of the time, he scored more than 29 points. And 25% of the time, he scored more than 35 points. This is, this is what my neighbor needs to know. Goodbye. Enjoy math. Swish.